How to fix this site can't be reached on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to your Chrome browser. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots in the top, and then go to settings. And now all what you have to do here is simple. Just go to this system option right here and make sure to disable this option right here, and then go to the reset and cleanup and go to the restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and click reset settings. And now the last step is go back to the home page of Google, and now go to the top here in the corner and click on the history. Click on it and click on clear browsing data like this, and then click on clear data for all time, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.